Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Dodge Challenger air pump. First, locate your air pump and tire sealant kit, typically found in the trunk. Before you begin, make sure your Challenger is parked safely on a level surface. Then, take the air hose and securely connect it to the valve stem on the tire that needs attention. This ensures a proper seal for inflation. Next, plug the air pump's power cord into your Challenger's 12V accessory outlet. Once connected, switch on the air pump and carefully monitor the integrated pressure gauge. Continue to inflate the tire until it reaches the manufacturer's recommended PSI. You can usually find this specific pressure listed on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. If your tire has a puncture and you're using the sealant, attach the sealant bottle to the air pump as directed. Carefully follow the specific instructions provided with your sealant for proper application. After applying, drive your Challenger a short distance, perhaps 2 to 3 miles, at a moderate speed. This helps distribute the sealant evenly inside the tire. Once the tire is inflated, or sealant is applied, disconnect the air pump and neatly store the entire kit back in your trunk. It's a good idea to recheck the tire pressure after driving a few miles to ensure it's holding. Remember, this is a temporary fix. You should get your tire professionally repaired or replaced as soon as possible for safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.